What is up? So, this is MRP from Core Nutritionals. Just got it in, what was it, yesterday for us now.
Yesterday, yes.
This one is their s'mores flavor. I'm excited. Really just because all of Core's freaking flavors are amazing. What MRP is a full, if you are using it for meal replacement, MRP, meal replacement. And its whole breakdown is made out of whole food sources, so it's great.
You're looking at 270 calories, 6 fats, 27 carbs, and 27 protein. And if you're like me, you can use 1 scoop and make some pancakes. So, I can't wait to have some s'mores pancakes.
I'm not as fancy as him. Do the honors, you already got it mixed up.
Yeah.
Sniff test first. Bask in it. Really just get the aroma in there. Yeah, let it aerate. Shocker, it is core level amazing, and I'm not gonna lie, they pretty solidly nailed the s'more flavor. I get a little more chocolate out of it than anything, but as it goes down, I can kind of get that graham cracker flavor out of it. Definitely going to be something that I'm going to keep on hand. Probably something I'll just keep on hand because I'm a snacker.
I do love me some s'mores, to be honest. Yeah, I'm a fat kid.
You can obviously find Core Nutritional MRP here with us, or you can come down and check out some of the rest of their flavors. They're all obviously going to be amazing. I'm looking forward to cracking this one open. And what is it? They got a blueberry
crumb cake.
What I really hope is that they actually move their cinnamon French toast over there.
Ooh, that would be so good.
Yeah. Come check it out. We're looking forward to seeing it. Looking forward to trying the rest of them.